A nawr te bobl, mae welwch i'r dri dosbarth mawr o Heffrod wedi cael eu cynhedlu gan Darw Limousin. Dyma'r buddugol yn y tri dosbarth yn dod yn erbyn ei gilydd i weld prin ydy'r gorau. Ac enno ni, dyn ni'n dri fan hyn, a dwi'n gwybod sy'ch chi job dewis yn to ni, ond mae rhaid i'r berniad ddewis rhwng y tair Heifer. Nawr te baes, dowch i ni gael gweld beth sy'n digwydd. Wyt ti wedi bod yn siarad ar beirniad fyna, mae e wrth i fod yn y job?
Ne, mae e'n mwynhau i ddwrnod yn fawr iawn.
A ti?
A mae gen o dosbarth y fama rhwng y tair wannol bwysau. Mae rei difyr, mae un Heifer o Lloegr, un o Gymru a llall o Werddon.
Wel, dim yn aml, mae'n nad ysgwydd.
Na, dim yn aml, na gi.
Na. A ti bod, maen nhw'n dair Heifer dda.
O, gwych ofnadwy ac hig da iawn ar y dair yma.
Hon yn yllodd y dosbarth cyntaf, ynddo?
Na chi, a hon oedd yr Heifer sgam na, ia.
A mae'n smart.
Smart iawn yndi hon, o'r Lloegr lawr yn Devon.
Well, Philip Price from Glasbury, what a wonderful achievement.
Yeah, over the moon, to be honest.
I'm sure you are.
Yeah.
You've been at it for years, and your father before you.
Yeah.
Stalwarts of the showing.
Yeah, we have, to be honest.
And this is a great honour because those three classes were tremendous.
They're strong classes. They're hard to win, they are. Yeah, they are. Yeah.
And I understand that Dad's not here today.
Dad's not here now, he's watching it home.
We'd like to say at home, we're missing you here, but many congratulations. That was great, and you'll be happier when you go home, won't you?
He will be. He will be. Yeah.
Well done. I was up there, as you know, in Heifer, the quality of animals in that area is something terrific.
It is. Yeah.
So well done. Can you get your photo taken?
Thank you very much.
Comb your hair. Philip.